Highlights of the run chase. Things started quite slowly, but then the openers got into stride.
Yeah, Shazeb showed his ability to play strokes all around the ground. Very early, took advantage of anything that was slightly offline. Showed us that he loves to play the pull shot. And a couple of really authoritative ones. This one got a top edge, but his answer him was still good. I mean, how was that? Exquisite. Just over pitched. Running it over the bowler's head. This man, George, played some great strokes all around the ground.
Yeah, he showed his strength, muscled the ball through the onside, struck 3 maximums, and it was the right tempo in the run chase. They set the tone for the chase, both these openers. Thomas getting to his half century. Shazeb Khan as well, playing a few strokes over the boundary line. 2 sixes to him, and that partnership of 103 was quite impressive. And that was a breakthrough. George had to depart, and then Abbas Ali came in at number 3 and scored with fluency. So too Ollie Cox, and the Warriors ended up winning by 8 wickets in this very first match of the Pakistan Junior League.